Choose a replacement capacitor by matching the original capacitor's microfarad rating and voltage while confirming physical size and terminal type. Start by reading the capacitor label for the microfarad rating and the rated voltage. Then buy a unit with the exact microfarad value because that directly affects motor start and run characteristics. For voltage, choose a capacitor with the same voltage rating or a higher one if space and fit allow. For example, replacing a 370 volt unit with a 440 volt unit is acceptable, but never go lower. Check physical dimensions and terminal type so the new capacitor fits the mounting bracket and the wire connectors make reliable contact. And verify the polarity if the part is not nonpolar. Whenever possible, power down the system, discharge the old capacitor safely with a resistor or a purpose-designed tool and use insulated probes when testing. Never short the terminals with a screwdriver. Use a meter with capacitance function to confirm the old capacitor value before replacement and to check the new capacitor after installation to ensure the motor will receive the correct capacitance. Finally, note that motor start capacitors and run capacitors serve different functions, so do not substitute one type for the other unless the replacement is specified for that application. Common mistakes include picking the wrong microfarad value, which causes poor starting torque or overheating and should be corrected by matching the label value exactly. Another issue is choosing a lower voltage rating, which risks dielectric breakdown and failure, so always match or exceed the original voltage rating. A third problem is assuming form factor does not matter. If the replacement does not fit securely or uses different terminals, the connections can be unreliable, so measure and compare mounting and terminal styles before purchasing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare contractor profiles related to HVAC and electrical work. We connect contractors with homeowners and host an active discussion community where members share practical advice and real-world experiences.